Today on Animal Fact Files, we're talking about sea turtles. Apart from being adorable, yes, that's a fact, sea turtles are solitary marine reptiles that spend most of their lives at sea, but still breathe air to survive. Female sea turtles will return to shore to lay their eggs, but male sea turtles almost never return to land. The 7 sea turtle species are found in oceans throughout the world, though certain species may be more restricted to a particular region. The largest living sea turtle, and in fact the largest living turtle in the world, is the leatherback sea turtle. These reptiles can reach more than 6 feet in length and weigh up to 2,000 pounds. They have rigid, leathery shells that don't form plates like the bony shells of other sea turtle species, hence the leatherback's common name. Leatherback sea turtles are able to dive more than 3,000 feet down in search of food, such as jellyfish, squids, urchins, and crustaceans. Leatherback sea turtles nest on tropical beaches, but may migrate as far north as Canada for the rest of the year. They're the most tolerant sea turtles of colder temperatures, and can thus move the closest to the poles of any living sea turtle species. On the other side of the size spectrum, the smallest living sea turtles are the Kemp's and olive ridley sea turtles. These also happen to be the only 2 living sea turtles classified in the same genus. Kemp's and olive ridley sea turtles only reach 100 pounds in weight and 30 inches in length, and are often even smaller. These sea turtles eat crabs, shrimp, lobsters, and other benthic creatures, as Kemp's and olive ridley sea turtles are generally found in seagrass beds or sandy bottom environments. When these turtles come on shore to nest, they do so in massive groups that can number in the thousands. Green sea turtles are the most herbivorous sea turtles. While they might take the occasional snack of sponges and jellyfish, their diets largely consist of seaweed and seagrass. This green diet, in turn, makes their fat green. And this is how green sea turtles got their common name. Green sea turtles can reach a little more than 3 feet in length and about 400 pounds in weight. Some scientists think that green sea turtles should be split into 2 separate species, but currently they're listed as one. Flatback sea turtles have a small home range when compared to other sea turtle species. These turtles are only found in the coastal waters of Australia and the surrounding areas. Flatback sea turtles get their common name from the shape of their shells, which look like they've been pressed into a plateau. These flat shells make a perfect resting spot for marine birds. Flatback sea turtles spend a lot of their time at the surface of the water, so marine birds use these turtles' flattened shells as a floating platform to rest their tired wings. Loggerhead sea turtles have big heads with powerful jaws that can crush the shells of marine snails, crustaceans, and mollusks, though they'll also eat soft-bodied prey like jellyfish. These turtles are slightly larger than green sea turtles. When they're young, loggerhead sea turtles are more frequently found out at sea, but as they get older, they live closer to shore. This is the same for the final living sea turtle species. Hawksbill sea turtles are named so because their beaks are similar to hawk beaks. They can reach the same length as loggerheads and green sea turtles, but only about half the weight. Hawksbill sea turtles eat sponges, sea cucumbers, sea stars, crustaceans, and more. They live in coral reef areas, but can also be found in mangrove swamps and marine estuaries. Hawksbill sea turtles don't gather in large groups to lay their eggs, instead being solitary nesters. These turtles have intricate shell patterns for which they have been hunted to near extinction. They are currently considered critically endangered along with the Kemp's ridley sea turtle species. Natural sea turtle predators include marine birds, crustaceans, foxes, and other small mammals, monitor lizards, and more. Many don't survive to adulthood, but if they do make it past their first few years of life, they're generally left alone. Sea turtles are also threatened by habitat loss, entanglement with fishing gear, light pollution, and more, so they have a lot working against them. If they can avoid these obstacles, however, sea turtles may live to be more than 100 years old. For more facts on sea turtles, check out the links in the description. Thank you to Charlie Young for today's request. Give a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and thank you for watching Animal Fact Files.